Okay, this is a quick video on how to build your buyers list and add email addresses directly from Facebook groups in a real quick and easy way to make a CSV file from posts up on these groups. So I'm in the North Carolina Real Estate Investors group here, and what I'm going to do is search the group. Move something out of the way here. Search the group for, let's say, Charlotte cash buyers. We're going to look for something with a lot of comments, because usually that means there are a lot of people who post their email address. This one doesn't have that many, so we're going to go back out. And boom, we have a whole bunch of people who posted their email address. Okay, so you could just sit here and copy and paste Anthony Kent the Realtor at Gmail, Daniel Ernst. You could just copy and paste these and you'd be fine, right? But it'd take a while to get a lot of them. So one thing I use is extensions. And this one extension here is called the Instant Data Scraper. And I'll show you how to get it. If you're using, this is Google Chrome. So Google Chrome has what's called extensions. I think most web browsers have extensions. I like Google Chrome the best. I think most people are using the Chrome browser, but if you're using something else, you may have to do this a little bit differently. But and they all don't have the same extensions, so that's another thing. But for me, I use Chrome browser, and that's how I found this particular extension. So here, this little puzzle piece is your extensions, right? So you're going to look for extensions. These are all extensions that I already have in my system. There's a lot of great extensions for Chrome, but you're going to go to Manage Extensions, and this little 3 bars here at the top left, you're going to click on that, and then here at the bottom, open Chrome Web Store. Okay, this is where you find extensions. The extension we're looking for is called Instant Data Scraper. All right. I already have mine added, but there'd be a button here that would say Add to Chrome. You click that button, and it will show up here in the top, on your top of your screen. Now, I have a lot of extensions, so there's a lot showing, but the one that looks like a little Pokemon ball, that is Instant Data Scraper. So once you've got it all installed, you can go back to your posts full of email addresses. You click on that little ball there, and up pops a window that is basically a list of things. Now, this is the link to the individual's Facebook page. We don't need that, so I'm getting rid of that. I'm going to push the X button. This is their name, so I would put full name here, because this is going to create a CSV file. So we're going to put full name there. This looks like the email, where the email addresses are going. Now, some of them aren't email addresses. Some of them have all this other stuff, but doesn't matter. We're going to put email address, or just email. This last one also looks like something we don't need, but let me see if I can get to it here. There's 2 more that look like stuff we don't need. It's just random information. All we want is full name and email. Okay, so now we've got these things. They're all listed. So then I can download a CSV file. Boom. That creates us a CSV file. Now we can look at this CSV file. Let's see. I'm going to go to Google my drive. All right. So then what I will do now is, let's see here. I'm going to pull that into my drive here just so you can see it. It's uploading it into my drive. We're going to go to that file here, open with Google Sheets, just so you can see what it creates. And as you can see, we have I'm going to freeze up row 1. I always freeze my top row so that doesn't move. We have a list. Now some of these are garbage. This guy said PM'd. This person said, what do you have? They're asking, they're not giving up their so this person is saying, hey, attention wholesalers, we are serious cash buyers that they don't put an email address. So I am command clicking. I think you might control click on a PC. I use a Mac, but command clicking on all the ones that I don't want, that don't have email addresses in them. Okay, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna left click, delete selected rows. Okay, why didn't it delete them? Delete selected rows. I forgot that it keeps everything highlighted after you delete it. So now here in this one, you're gonna see, you're gonna try to clean this up so it's only emails in this row here. Only emails. This person left their email. Send me whatever you have, please. All right, doing that. Please submit to Justin. We're getting rid of all that. Acquisition specialist for large institutional buyer. This guy didn't leave his email. I missed that one. We're going to delete that. Delete row. Dewan Elam. All right. And this one needs to be cleaned up too. Boom. So now we have our Charlotte buyers list directly from Facebook, and we didn't have to copy and paste each of their names, and it's already in a CSV file, so we can just pull this into something else. And you can also do some cool stuff where you use other extensions. I have extensions for my Google, whatever you call this, Drive, right? So I can take this column here, this row here, right? I'm gonna go to my extensions, Power Tools. Oh, let's see, sort by color. Tools, split. So I'm gonna split these. Split names, first, not middle, first and last. Hopefully they don't have middle names. Some of them have middle, so we'll do first, middle, and last. My column has a header, it does. Boom. So now we have first, middle, and last name. So you have a CRM, you can input this in your CRM, and it's already split everything up the way you need it to. And that is how you create a quick buyers list using extensions and in Facebook and the instant data scraper, which I've been using for that. Hope that helps.